unboxing my Pearl Rhythm Traveler drum kit. The drum kit comes with two boxes. Drum throne sold separately. I'm very excited. It's very fun. There's the contents. There's the cymbal. There's the hi-hat. There is the pads and the plastic cymbals. Now let's open the box. What is this inside the box? Let's see later. This is the rim of the drum. Now there's plastics and it's so fun. The cymbals. Let's see, that is the tom-tom. Cool. And now we're getting the box. What's inside the box? There is the mesh. Display of contents in box A. Bass drum, floor tom, 2 tom-toms, mesh skins, and hi-hat, crash cymbals, and both made of plastic. Cymbals and tom-toms. Comes with mesh acoustic skins. Time for some fun! The milk pad really works. It was so fun, I love it. Yay, we are gonna open box B. Box B have hardware and snare. I put my own pillow inside the bass drum, and now it's cool. It sounds cool. I'm so happy. Installing the Proto skin on the bass drum. My dad is tuning the bass drum. Fixing the snare